Hey everyone, check out these durable extra small mailing boxes designed for all your shipping and moving needs. Each box features a strong 32-pound edge crush test, rating to hold up to 65 pounds safely. Made from 100% post-consumer recycled content, these corrugated boxes are easy to fold and self-assemble. They provide a certified burst strength of 200 pounds of pressure per square inch. This compact packaging is ideal for protecting small and fragile, individually wrapped items during transit. Get your packing done quickly and securely with these reliable boxes today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.